I ran into a gentleman here who's up, and he's got one of the coolest cars that I've seen here. I wanted to show you guys this.
I have to tell you, there's
would you just look at it?
All right, so I got two cars. I got this one. This one's a drag car too. I just pulled the slicks off of it and put the hard tires on it. But this is a 3-pedal car, so it's pretty nuts. But my other car, I really race. I've got an S2000. It's got a 102mm turbo, sticks out of the hood. 2-stage nitrous setup.
I think I saw that car.
Yeah, it's huge. Got a huge Holly high ram with air to water, nitrous plate, the whole 9 yards. My brakes went out, and I went to throw the chute, and it failed too. And I went an 817 down the back stretch and couldn't stop, and I went about 60 to 70 feet through the cornfield.
Good God, but you're still here?
Yeah, hey, look,
it makes a great story.
Hey, but here's the cool part. As I started it up, it backed it out.
That is awesome. Dude, I would love to see that car. Is it messed up, or how did it go?
It still runs. It's caved in. The fenders are caved in. The bumpers ripped off. And all that.
Well, let's check this thing out. In the meantime, this is so freaking rad.
Dude!
So clean, too. Oh my gosh.
Scott Cheney, you are the man!
Dude, what do you got in there?
It's got a 427 with twin 76, 78s.
Good God.
Direct
I am speechless. Oh, Scott got out of the course a little bit, but he figured it out. He's good.
Woo! Oh my gosh, dude. That is so clean, man.
Let's hear it for Scott Cheney.
I think there might be a trend here.
Absolutely.
Dude, that is awesome, man.
Okay.
I think you have more than enough power to do the job, so
I hope so.
I wish you well. That's an awesome story, man. Very nice car, brother.
Hey, check me out. YouTube, TikTok, everything.
All of it.
Renegade Racing, baby.
All right, so we saw you a little earlier here.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty wild.
Yeah.
G-Body, baby. We're giving it to you right there.
Sloppy stage 2 cam.
Holy hell.
Stock
Dude,
everything.
seriously.
Welded rear diff. Stock tires.
I thought you were joking. I thought it was like front wheel drive for a second. I was like, what? Why is that? I was like, I was confused. I think you should be able to generate a lot of smoke very quickly here.
Yeah,
how much boost do you have? I see you got a 3-bar map sensor right here.
Notice nobody said that to
15-ish
me
right now. I'm
because
still
I
figuring
signed
out
all the waivers.
my boost controller. So.
Very custom.
Yeah, it's running off the map sensor itself, so it's kind of jittery.
Plus,
Very cool. All right, man, we're going to check out some other cars. Good to meet you, brother.
Be safe, man.
See you.
Jeremy, advice for a driver who's never done this before, man.
All right, so what do you got here? You're
Manual AR5 with a 4.8 with a cam in it. That's about the use.
high wheel speed. High wheel speed.
Second into third, in fourth.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you might need to clutch kick it if you start to get.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're you know, just keep it rolling, all right?
Ryan, I've only driven the car about 2 miles since we finished it, so.
Ignorance is bliss.
Ignorance is bliss, bro.
What kind of
All right,
speed
cool.
is this? Those twin, what, 62s?
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing, man?
I watch you on YouTube.
Awesome, man. Dude, this is a really nice truck. You sure you want to do this with this truck?
Absolutely, I do it all the time. That's what they're built for.
That is pretty cool, man. Do you drift this thing too, or what?
I started thinking about it, but it's not really working out, so I'm just going to use it for a launch break.
All right.
We're doing it.
Turbo?
Supercharged.
Nice. What kind of blower?
You up to figure out how to tune this at first.
Very cool, man. Tell me what you got real quick. How big is the motor?
It's an LS3 with a Vortec V2 on it. Makes about 700 wheel on method.
Good luck, man. So it's what trans?
It's a CD009 out of a Nissan.
Oh, hey, I just broke one of those.
Did you?
All right, man. Good luck, man. We'll see. All right, this thing's one of the coolest things I've seen here, man. What's up, man? Hey, can you tell me a little bit about the car real quick?
It's an old satellite my dad had. We took the roof and threw it on a cup car chassis. Put a nice little LS in it.
Oh, is this car in like hot rod?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome, man. That is so cool. Have you done burnout competitions before with it?
Got 3,000 miles on it, fresh build.
Heck yeah, man. Very cool. We wish you well. That is it is definitely the coolest looking car. It's absolutely. This is entirely too beautiful to be doing what you're about to do to it. What is this thing, dude?
66 Nova.
Oh, dude, it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, you got a lot of custom stuff done, man, but it is awesome. Tell me about the power plant. You got a 6-speed in it as well?
TKO 600, 5-speed.
Nice.
It's got a 6.2 liter LS3, 430 horse.
Dude, beautiful. Honestly, very, very, very impressive.
Burning Brethren right now is leading this thing in that altitude. I don't know, man. That was a good try. Oh, see the cops high. Everybody give him a big round of applause. That's a lot more smoke than you thought it would be.
It's so quiet.
The tires are... All right, applause.
And now comes trying to pull that.
Dude, Charlie. Way better than I thought, brother. Way better. Oh. How many of you like a low bar with an LS in it? No. All right. Sing it again. You're my people. Oh, wait.
That's gonna be tough to beat there. Bro, quite the show, man. That was awesome.
Fourth year.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. That was awesome.
There's a cardboard piece that has a speedometer drawn.
That was awesome. Seriously, man. That was
bring any tires.
Quite a show.
And they smelled out of frozen.
No tires.
Was a riot. Papa's Speed Shop Special, baby.
The wheelbase is so tight.
Looking good. America, baby, look at that.
Hey, you're the technician.
Oh, don't let it die. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Right over there. Oh, it's way out there. It's way out there.
Oh man,
We're over here, so
Flattery.
you can go over and be awesome.
He did a hell of a job for his first
That
burnout.
is not pretty. All the exhaust is blowing. Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey, can I get fire out
gotta
here?
tell
Can I
you,
get fire
ladies
out
and
here,
gentlemen.
please? Thank you.
the car is on fire, and he's,
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry to say, he is not in the competition anymore. As you well know, it's hard to get to do fun stuff anymore. Big flash. Now, it might have been just flame out of the exhaust. Give him a big round of applause, everybody. You think this thing can blow the tires in 60 seconds?
I'm gonna do the best I can.
All right, Jeremy's going out. Jeremy cracks me up because, yeah, he's like, I'm going to do the best I can. Yes, sir. Thank you. He's so polite. Because we need to see big tire smoke for our final car before we go drifting. Ladies and gentlemen, let Jeremy hear it right now.
he totally deserved it. He put on an awesome show. Kudos to him, man.
Dude, you know what? We were laughing when you pulled away. I said, you're so polite. You're always a class act. If folks don't watch you guys on YouTube, they should. You guys are a great time for sure. Thank you so much for coming out. You support all the events at LS Fest. It's really cool. Why do you guys do it?
Because of the fans. Thank you guys for coming out.
It's awesome. Thank you so much, brother. Here you go. Runner-up,
yeah.
$250 gift certificate.
Good job, brother. That was an awesome show, man. Good job, man. Oh, yeah. Good work. Thanks, man.
For LSFEST' 2021, $500 for the Holly. You want to thank anybody?
Well, guys, I wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in. I absolutely gave it my all in order to try and win that Burnout competition, but I was just edged out by a better competitor. If you guys have never made it to LS Fest, you have to go. There are so many cool things there. We got a bunch more to share with you. I also wanted to say a huge shout out to those guys that helped. That was Manuel as well as Josh and John from the tuning school. Those guys absolutely killed it. They had some amazing shots. We had some absolutely crazy stuff that happened with the 370Z and some major things to overcome, and I can't wait to share that with you guys, as well as almost getting arrested up in Bowling Green doing some stupid stuff. And I crossed something else off a bucket list. I'll leave you with a meme here and a song that I wanted to recommend here. We're going to do some Mind of a Beast by Glitch Mob. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless you. We'll see you next episode.